Hello RC fans, Racing 393. Quick message. Upcoming actually the end of this week, I've got a nice little series that you might be interested in. So it follows on, as you can see by the picture there, my Tamiya TA series. Lots were learnt, I can tell you now. I learnt a hell of a lot. Lots of details which I actually wouldn't have known at all. Got some help off some forums and other bits and pieces. Found out for myself. Sometimes found out the hard way. But we start this series. At the moment, it's a 4, maybe 5-part series. At the time of recording, I may not have totally finished the build, but we've got lots and lots to do on the car. It wasn't that much of a basket case, but it had a lot of money thrown at it to make the chassis what I think is awesome. So sit back, grab yourself a drink. This comes out this week, so at the beginning of September, Friday the 5th at 9 p.m. That'll be episode 1, and then subsequent Fridays, Friday, then Friday, then Friday, then Friday, 4 or even 5 episodes will be out in a row to follow my journey rebuilding, learning the Tamiya TA12/2. It was an eye-opener, but I think it's come out really well. So I hope you enjoy the video Friday. Please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified of when other videos like this come out. So I hope you enjoy Friday. I'm actually going to watch it because I haven't seen it since I've edited it. So oddly enough, I'm going to watch it. So I hope you do too, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.